these times don't go, we can call it our paradise. Just you and I, now wouldn't that be nice? Oh, it's our paradise, staying up all
So
night.
as you see, I'm into my PC yet again, and honestly this happened 2 weeks after I installed that graphics card. Now to see that install, I'll link the video in the description below. But the whole reason for this is because once I installed the RX 480, it just decided to kill my power supply. And what I mean is my power supply got coil whine, which, you know, it's not worth repairing at all, depending on the year, how old you've had it, or how long you've had it. So I decided just to buy a new one. So that's this whole process of me removing and taking out the old power supply.
Under the moonlight, feet in the sand, your hand, my hand, fall asleep to the waves crashing, wake up and do it again.
So what I'm doing here is I have decided to change up my fan layout. Now I've had a fan on the back for exhaust and a fan up top for intake, and I decided to change this up. I'm going to be putting one on the very front. Well, the one I'm taking off now is going to be put onto the front to be an intake, and then I'm not removing the top one, I'm bringing in a different new one to put on the back for exhaust. So a little bit better airflow.
We got this bottle of champagne to ourselves. Drink all we want, forget about everything else. And I want to remember this moment for life, yeah. That look you gave me was staring in my eyes. And I'm never gonna let this go. Dancing real fast and slow, holding your waist real close. It's our paradise, let's go.
I went for the EVGA 650 BQ series, and this series, or this particular one, is a semi-modular, and the reason I went with semi-modular is because it fits my needs better. I didn't feel like going with the fully module just because it was about $40 more expensive, and 3 cables is not really gonna hurt me if I actually do need to send it back for any reason. So now the placement of it is actually a reason why I switched my fans around to begin with, because I am going to be venting it from the inside air and wanted to have more airflow coming from the front. So that way when it sits on the carpet in my office, there's no issues with it overheating or not getting any airflow at all.
A paradise is there to be taken. We out here grinding, waiting for vacation. Hit that destination, body on the beach is different eyes, different constellations. And when I look into your eyes, ain't no hesitation. Working hard with you, baby, by my side. Got 24 hours in the dark, still what we like. Sipping by the sands, catching waves in the beds. It's an honor to be with you, baby. You made me understand what it means to be a real man. I got you covered in the brands, cause you a real fan. I want the house in the hills, that's the real plan. While I'm working every time for the deal, man, it's real fun. Every time I see it, stay wishing there be his vision we see it. Riding Bentleys, rolling right through the previous, believing it was meant to be. Together chasing paradise, making you for life, never ending journey, please. Yes, please, sign me up. Sunny's at the door, I tell him line it up.
There's just so much left to say. Wanna get to know you in every kind of way. But you're speaking in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration? Just trying to break through, but you make it hard when you act how you do. 'Cause you speak it in tongues, you take the blood from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here.
So one of the other reasons why I swap my fan placement around is because of this panel right here. As you can see, it has 2 spots for a fan, and I did have 2 fans on there, but they got in the way of my graphics card. It's wider than my old one, and I think the MSI logo when it lights up just looks absolutely beautiful.